Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and it's always a joy to come to you. Today is another beautiful day, and as usual, we will look at what matters. Thank you so much for, the questions you sent in, and it looks like this time we are going to be answering your questions and, things that you want to hear. Last week, we talked about how to, exit an organization or a group so that you wouldn't create problems after your exit. And we also had, letters to the effect that we need to talk about some important things that we need to know. Previously, we have done programs that have dealt with some of these basic, things that you need to be aware of. So today we would go on to talk about certain things that are important, more important than others. And, when you prioritize things and when you put what is important first, you always would have the opportunity to do better. Sometimes many people think that because they are gifted in one way or the other, then they can get their way out of any situation easily because I am gifted. Your gifts is one thing, but there is a vehicle that can take your gift to the next level, which many people, after they see the power of their gift, refuse to use. That is character. Character. So I would say it this way, character is more important than your gift because your gift can open a door, but your character would shut it if you don't have the right character to go with the gift. If you are pompous, if you are prideful, if you don't respect people and you have a particular, gift, although you would want to serve that gift to people because of your character, because of the way you talk, because of the way you present it, people may not be attracted to it. So be careful not to build your life based on your gifts, but let your character be the vehicle that will channel your gift into places where you may never be able to go to if not for that good character. Character is an essential commodity in arriving at destinations where you would be happy, you would be settled, and you can find everything. Well, this is today's family program. I'm Dr. Kitcher, and if you have joined us today for the first time, I want to say a very big welcome to you, and please invite your friends to join you to watch this program. We don't want you to enjoy it alone, and also like and share this channel so that we can know that you are, with us. We are very happy to be bringing you these vital, simple, but very important, things in life. So in continuing, I want to also say that most of the times, many people also think that, what do you call it, people is nothing to think about. And they rather think of maybe some structures and stuffs that is being done. So we have a program coming up and every energy is in the program. Yes, we want it to be like this. We want it to be like that. This will be the first of its kind. We're going to show, how good and how, necessary it is to do stuff maybe excellently. As much as there is excellence in you, nothing gets done by itself. So the next thing that I would say is that you should know the value of people. When you know the value of people, you would give more importance to people than the programs or the projects. Yes, we want to put up that beautiful hotel, one of its kind, in the nation. But then we are not thinking about the people who would come together to build it, to work on it, to be part of the team. And it is always important that we understand these things. Many people do not have value for people, so they make mistakes and they concentrate on things that have to be done. And the things that has to be done, if you put in all your energy and you don't prepare the people who will do it, or you don't strike the right relationship with the people who will get it done, then you can also say you are failing even before you start. It is very, very important. So please place value on people. Life is people-based. There is nothing in your life that you would be doing solely by yourself. Only few things we can do for ourselves by ourselves. But most of the times, those things that we are doing for ourselves, we are doing it so that we can be able to also, serve or, provide for other people. So please, if you are especially in a team, value the people. No one is less important. The fact that you've been put together as a team means everybody is valuable. So put people first and projects and programs later. So people are more important than the programs that you want to do. And the next thing is that many people feel a person who is doing stuff, is active, is moving, is going, is the guy who is really on top of issues. Is the guy who is, making the marks. But I want to tell you something. People have learned how to hide behind their actions. So for me, it is not your action that will motivate me as much as the heart with which that action is being, expressed. So when you see things happening, don't be overwhelmed by it. Don't be moved just because you see action. Ask yourself the question, what is the heart behind that action? Because the heart is more important than the actions. Somebody may smile with you, somebody may say so nice words to you, but right in the person's heart or in his conscience, he's planning another evil thing for you. That is how dangerous it is. So don't be controlled by the actions of people. Although we have been told that action speaks louder than words. It is true in some cases, but in most cases, actions should not be what would determine how you respond. Look for the heart. Is the heart consistent with the action? If what is in the heart is what is being acted out, then you are safe. But woe betides you if the person you're shaking behind his hand has a sword to pierce you after that. It is so, so, so important. Well, these are basic things that we always know, but then a reminder about that does not spoil anything. Next time when you have the opportunity, remember your character is more important than your gift, and that people are more important than programs or projects, and your heart is more important than the actions. Choose the right thing, and life will smile at you. I'm Dr. Abed Kitcher, and this has been your favorite program, Today's Family, and I will see you again next week. Until then, I wish you a beautiful week, and please share this link with friends and let them also enjoy from it. Remember, you are what you want to be. So be who you desire, and everything will be okay. Take care, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.